mega love shout out to all. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. So, today I'll be showing you kung saan ako bumagsak. Kasi nagbike ako last time. And first day of snow in Germany. So, tignan nyo guys baliktarin ko lang yung camera. Eto guys, dito ako nagbike before nung first day of snow. So hindi ganyan kakapal yung hindi, I mean makapal yung snow during that day. So ngayon kinaskas na nila para hindi madulas yung mga tao. So dyan ako. Okay, naglalakad ako ngayon because yung bike na ginagamit ko parang nasira yung brake. I don't know if nasira yung brake dahil bumagsak ako sa kalsada or dahil sobrang lamig. Tingnan nyo guys. Madulas siya actually. Madulas. So I'm still wearing my rubber shoes kasi hindi pa ako pwede mag-boots. Hindi pa ako pwede mag-boots because of my injury. Yung injury ko sa kuko na nabagsakan ako ng bote. So yan, ito yung sinasabi sa inyo guys. So, ito yung bench before when I uploaded my vlog about woodpecker or speck. Tsaka yung playground dito sa forest. So ngayon ayan nakaskas na yung kalsada. So, malapit na. Dito ako bumagsak. So, nahulog ako sa kalsada using the bicycle. So, nadaganan ako ng bicycle. So, the following day, sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. Pero wala namang pasa, guys. Malambot naman kasi yung snow. So, dito ako guys bumagsak. Yan, as in lupay-pay ako dito. Pero siya, maraming snow. So malinis. And it's ayun, after that incident naglakad na lang ako. Tinulak ko na lang yung bike. Kaya lang iika-ika na naman ako sa paglalakad. Ayan, sunny ngayon sunny. Pero yung ice hindi pa siya natutunaw kasi talagang malamig. I'm not sure kung anong degrees now. Pwedeng 1 degree Celsius or 2 or negative. Probably not negative. Kasi maaraw. Ayan guys, madulas yan. Madulas siyang ganyang iced. As in frozen, yung parang nasa refrigerator. So ayan. Muntik na madulas. Ayan. Ganyan siya kakapal. Ayan, parang halo-halo. Para sa halo-halo iced. Crushed. Automatic crush. Ay. Ayan, ang ganda. Ano bang something interesting today? Wala lang, I just wanted to show you the snow. So today, last Tuesday nagkaroon ng snow. So today is Friday. So Tuesday, 4 days na. 4 days na tong snow na to. And they are not yet melted. Hindi pa siya natutunaw. Makikita nyo guys yung kalsada, no? Ayan, kinaskas siya kasi even, no? Even, pantay yung pagkakayod. madulas. Kasi hindi pa ako makapagsuot ng boots. Yung boots, dapat dito yung makapal. At saka yung talampakan, yung pinakasapin ng sapatos, kailangan yung parang pang worker. Yung may ano siya, hindi ko ma-explain. Ang lamig. For the record, guys, so today is Friday, December 5. It's 3 degrees Celsius. So hindi gaanong malamig. Pero my hand is already red. Okay. Guys, look at this. So beautiful. Beautiful forest. And you will feel safe here. Of course, don't walk here at night because walang ganong naglalakad at saka walang street light. So, very peaceful, guys. Very peaceful dito. Wala kang magiging stress pag ganito. Ma-stress ka lang sa mga kapwa mo. Kaya don't think about stress. Just be positive. And I would like also to take these opportunities to say thank you, to thank all my friends who are advising me to be positive and don't think too much. Life must go on. So this is the end of my video or vlog. Have a nice day, guys. So don't forget to click or like the button, subscribe on my channel, and comment if you would like to ask what to vlog here in Germany. I will try my best to vlog it. Okay, have a nice day, guys. I love you. Tschüss. Ciao.